In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use the Tequila Group Content Editor. First, open up a web browser, then go to www.tequila.clienteditor.com. That's www.tequila.clienteditor.com. This brings you to the Tequila Group Content Editor login page. Enter your email address and the password you selected earlier to gain access to the site. Now you're at the control panel. Click on the site you have access to, in this case southtexas247.com, then click on the page you want to edit. Each city should only have access to their own profile page. From this screen, we can do the actual content editing of the pictures on your profile page as well as any of the copy. Here we see where we can edit the pictures. These links correspond to the 3 pictures in the top portion of your southtexas24.com profile page. These pictures right here. If you want to change one of these pictures, simply press the Browse button and select the picture you wish to load. In this case, I'm going to select a picture of this ruby-throated hummingbird. Then, when you press the Publish page at the bottom of your screen, it will replace one of these 3 pictures with the picture that you selected. Now, a few notes when uploading pictures. The Tequila Group CMS is automatically set to shrink the width of any picture and scale the height appropriately. It will not do that in reverse. Also, it's not set up to stretch a picture. This means if you're using a picture that is taller than it is wide, or that is very small, it might not display correctly, so please be careful when replacing photos. Also, if you load up a big image, it will load up the whole image in the smaller space and create incredibly long load times. So if you can shrink the image using a simple photo editor, Microsoft Paint is sufficient. Before uploading it and replacing your picture, it will improve your users and experience. To change text, the Tequila Group Content Editor uses a simple text-based editor. To make a change, simply edit the copy like you would a standard text document. There are a few things you need to keep in mind, though, that are different than a standard text editor. First, the system only accepts copy and paste in plain text. When you try to paste, this window pops up. Now you can paste your text into this window, and by pressing OK, this text will be entered into where your cursor was, but it's entered in plain text, meaning none of your formatting carries over. This means you can't copy and paste any of your formatting. All formatting has to be done in the editor text window. Now, all of your normal-sized text needs to be formatted as normal div. That can be found at the bottom of this drop-down menu. All normal text also needs to be set to size small, which can be found in this drop-down menu. Nothing should be put in the style drop-down menu. Your headers, like this and this, can be done in header 1 from the format menu for your larger text and header 2 for your format in the medium text. Don't choose headings 3 through 6 as the system is not set up to handle those. It is, however, set up to handle bold, italic, columns, bulleted number lists, and several other formatting options. Finally, to make a link, highlight the text you wish to turn into a link and click this button. Enter your URL. Click on the Target tab. Select New Window _blank, then press OK. And now you have a link. When you're finished editing your page, press the Publish Page button or none of your changes are going to save.